5308 Rebecca Road. We do have some weeds coming up here. There definitely needs to be some landscaping. This neighborhood that we're in right now feels cute and safe to me. So here's our RV gate. The ceilings feel really high in this property. So we have a screen door, which McKenna loves because tenants enjoy having the security of a door, but having the fresh air flow through, and you don't have to worry about children and pets. So we have upgraded light fixtures, tile. We need 3 window treatments over there. The 2.5-inch forward blinds that Jenny likes. We have a few change of colors on the walls in this house. This is a peachy pink color. We have the correct blinds over there. They're slightly warped on the ends. Just a little. Very high ceilings. Of course, you see that there's a fan with a light kit. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's bending a little. We have a Jack and Jill, we have a bathroom here that is shared between 2 bedrooms. These cabinets look great to me. So I was recently in a house with a home buyer, and they didn't understand why we have a separate toilet and shower area, and we need 4 window treatments total so far. So the reason this area is separate is because it's a shared bathroom. So people can be, for example, brushing their teeth or washing their face or hands, whatever they're doing in here, while other people are in the water closet. We have the correct blinds in this room. Very high ceilings. The walls are green. The flooring is in good condition, as is the paint, actually. The paint looks good. So we're at a total of 4 window treatments. Spacious, wide hallways leading into the eat-in area here. The red kitchen. We have a few different types of flooring in this house. The cabinet poles look to be in good condition. This is a solid surface. We just have one line here. Cabinets look good from what I can see. Okay. Doggy door. Again, blue wall. We have exposed wiring there. That's not difficult to put behind the wall. So we have desert landscaping back here. We do have some weeds coming through. We're higher than this neighbor. The shed provides privacy on the left. So we have this gigantic concrete slab with a huge patio overhang. That's a nice plus. Storage closet here. And this is the swinging door to the kitchen. Different tile. This is a room for guests, but also for this bedroom here. So this would be the 3rd bedroom that we've seen. We need window treatments there, so that'd be 5 window treatments. And we have cementy color walls in here. These are green. Looks like a pretty large water heater. Chamberlain garage opener. Lots of storage in this laundry room. Here and here. Orangey mauve walls that looks like a TV was removed from over there. So I think that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6, 7 windows need treatments. Nice high baseboards. Change in tile here. Oh, okay, that was a vanity, and it looks like they added a couple of shelves there so they could actually utilize that space for items. Okay, and the paint on those cabinets is chipping a little. Condition isn't terrible, it just looks like it needs a little bit of attention. So, that's the property.